King's NMAT Daily Series. This is Anisha here, your guide and mentor for NMAT exams, and making sure you guys are converting your dream college, which is NMIMS, through the series of all the NMAT mentorship sessions, course lectures, strategy videos, as well as your lectures on every Saturdays. And we're planning to increase more shortcut sessions for you guys coming up on Thursdays, with a lot of demand coming from students with respect to critical reasoning and how to go about the same. So let me quickly do one thing is, all of you guys who have been asking that starting now for NMAT, you've taken a date of, let's say, October or November or December, whichever date you have taken, what should you study, how should you study, what's the syllabus, and how do we crack NMAT. Okay, so I will give you guys a quick overview of the complete NMAT Turbo course, which helps you to understand how do we make sure we convert NMIMS for us. All right, so this is going to be the first thing you need to understand is your paper pattern, correct? So if you look at the NMAT paper pattern, we have 3 sections: language skills, quantitative ability, logical reasoning. 36 questions in each of them. Time is what is the most important. Verbal section has 28 minutes time. Your quant section has got 52 minutes time, and logical reasoning has 40 minutes time. Now, the advantage at hand for us is the paper is adaptive. It is the only exam, only Indian exam which is adaptive, which means bases your capability of solving the questions, the difficulty level of the questions will keep on increasing or decreasing. Obviously, the higher difficulty level questions you solve, the higher will be your final end result scaled score. Okay. Now, what you need to also keep in mind is that you have the benefit of choosing the order in which you want to give the exam, which means you can choose the section. You want to start with verbal or quants or LR, you decide that. But once you start a section, you can't switch to the next section and come back. And in every section also, you cannot go to the next question unless you mark the answer. So basically, we cannot skip questions, okay? And you cannot even mark it for review and come back and change the answers, because once what is submitted. One thing you need to keep in mind is, if you do not attempt all 36 questions, because of time crunch, you left the last few questions, you will have a penalty. So you are losing marks in that case. Okay, that is what you need to understand with respect to the paper pattern. Please understand, there is no window normalization concept since it's adaptive, and you are getting your scores immediately after. So you give your exam, you finish the exam, you have your scorecard and results in hand, which is going to be your scaled score. So invariably, anything you do, it's all based on your performance on that particular day. All right, so don't think so much. But yes, with respect to difficulty level, if I have to say, going by the standards how NMAT has been for the past 6 years, which I have been analyzing, mentoring and guiding, whenever the exam dates or windows, whichever were there after CAT exam, the difficulty level was higher. Why? Because the base difficulty level with which the questions start is on a higher side, which is why I personally always recommend give your attempt before CAT exam. Since this year we have only first main attempt being accepted by NMIMS, it becomes inevitable that the first attempt is the most crucial one for us. All right, now you know the paper pattern. Next thing you need to get yourselves to understand is your syllabus. So when I look at the NMAT syllabus and understand each and every section, you have to know that all of the topics have to be studied. Because of it being adaptive, you don't know how many number of questions more or less you are getting from every topic. A ballpark idea, yes, we do have. Like for example, we know in quants, the most important section is arithmetic, because iske number of questions has been maximum, correct? But there can be one of off cases जिसमें किसी और को probability and algebra के ज़्यादा आ गए, right? क्योंकि adaptive nature में कुछ भी हो सकता है, since the questions are coming from a given set of pool which is based on difficulty level. So that is why it's safest to make sure you don't leave anything in option. All right. Now let's understand our syllabus. This syllabus is on the guidelines of what is offered in the NMAT official guide, since that is the book made by the people who have conducting or who are driving the whole exam, which is NMAT by GMAC. Okay. So first module we have is of number properties, where we have all questions coming from numbers, factors, decimals, calendars, factors, multiples, your HCF, LCM, logarithms. Also study your inequalities when it comes to studying logs and all of these type of questions, and your number system. So remainder theorem based questions आप easily expect कर सकते हो. Okay. Then we have arithmetic, which is the most important module. Here you have to study everything, right from percentages, averages, ratios, and proportion to the application of these concepts with age and weight based word problems, your partnership concept, mixtures and allegations, time, speed, and distance, time and work, profit and loss, simple and compound interest. All of this forms a major chunk of arithmetic. Then comes our algebra and probability, where we are studying permutation, combination, probability, progressions, also called as sequence and series, equations, all types of equations, linear equations, quadratic equations, special equations, mean, mode, maxima, inequalities, all of them. Okay. We do not see topics of functions and graph coming in NMAT since quite a long time. बट टाइम है तो वो भी पढ़ लेना, क्योंकि वो बहुत ईजी वाले आते हैं, स्पेशली फंक्शंस के क्वेश्चंस तो आर सुपर स्कोरिंग. ओके. देन योर section wise, if you realize, it's quants and DI together, right? In data interpretation, we get questions coming from caselets, which is similar to what comes in CAT, our regular tables, bar graph, pie chart, line charts, multiple charts together like a bar graph combined with a pie chart. That's a very common thing. Mixed graph questions basically, and data sufficiency based questions. So this is about my quants and DI section, जहाँ syllabus is maximum. तो आपको ये रोज पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Then we talk about logical reasoning section. Again, इसमें syllabus में बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो CAT में नहीं आती हैं, and very important for us to keep in mind is कि this is a very, very, very scoring section for us. Okay. 50% of the logical reasoning section is of verbal reasoning, where we have questions of critical reasoning and deductions. You know, the topics which come are facts, conclusion, assumption, inference based questions, strengthening and weakening the argument, explain the paradox, parallel the reasoning. These are all types of questions available in your official guide and the NMAT Maximizer book. We have deduction based questions. इसको आप syllogism के type से भी कर सकते हो कुछ questions को, but not all of them. They are verbal reasoning only. So we get statement and conclusion, statement and assumption, statement and course of action, fact analysis questions like the fact, inference, judgment, statement and argument based questions, all of these types of questions. ठीक है? So that's your verbal reasoning. 18 out of 36 questions come from these two modules. Then you have analytical puzzles, where we have our scheduling problems, linear and circular arrangements, games and tournaments itna nahi aata hai. Then you have matrix puzzles. Very common are our arrangement and matrix puzzle based questions. Then you have input output questions. Okay. Last में कुछ questions आते हैं where you have somewhere around, you can say, 4 to 6 questions coming from the other reasoning, where the topics can be missing value in the figures. Remember, as in newspaper में आते हैं, if you used to solve Mumbai Mirror and all, have those diagrams and a missing number. One of questions, one of situations where we can get that. Set theory, very common. Syllogisms, very common. Decision making, very common. Coding, decoding, direction sense, blood relations, ranking test, find the missing number in the series, or the next number. All of that comes in our other reasoning section. Last, we talk about our language skills, which is our verbal section, syllabus for that. Here you have reading comprehension passages. The passages are not as lengthy or as difficult and inference based as that comes in CAT. They are much easier. But given said that, I can also expect out of the 3 RCs, 1 RC to be tough and inference based, because that's how typical it is. Overall in the whole paper you should be ready. एक DI सेट तो गंदा टफ होगा ही, एक RC तो गंदा टफ होगा ही, पजल और इनपुट आउटपुट में से एक गंदा होगा. ठीक है, गंदा मतलब ये टफ होगा. These are road blocks for you guys. You have to be smart enough. If you are getting the logic, करो attempt, नहीं तो smart guess, mark and move further ahead to avoid penalty questions. Penalty marks, I mean. ठीक है. Then comes our para forming, which is essentially para jumbles, para summary, para completion, verbal ability types questions. Then we get our grammar based questions of error identification, prepositions. Then we get our vocab based questions coming in the form of idioms and phrases, analogies and fill in the blanks. Okay? This is your complete syllabus for NMAT. Please watch this complete video right till the end. Anything and everything you need to understand to crack NMAT, I'm going to cover up in this particular video. So make sure you are understanding and spending time onto it. Okay. Now all the students, once you get on board with the NMAT Turbo course, you have to make sure you are doing a few set of things, which is attending your live lectures, which is very crucial, plus making sure your dashboard becomes your best friend. So I will show you guys the CAT King 1 dashboard as well, so that it doesn't look alien for us. Okay. So firstly, you will be having NMAT Saturday sessions with me or a couple of other NMAT toppers and NMAMS alumni who are meeting you guys every Saturday and focusing on the topics which are essential for us to understand with respect to input, output, language skills, quants, DI, DS, all of these things, everything will be covered. In addition to NMAT Saturdays, only Saturday classes is not going to help. You are going to have 2 hours of class every day to get our basic concepts sorted. You are going to have Monday to Friday 10 to 11 p.m. quants lectures. Tuesday, Thursday, Friday 9 to 10 p.m. are going to be your DILR lectures. Mondays and Wednesdays are going to be your verbal lectures with Rahul sir. To boost our preparation, to get ourselves equipped to do level of difficulty 2 questions in NMAT to maximize the scores, over the weekends you will have Saturdays and Sundays 10 to 11 p.m. shortcut lectures as well also. Okay, you get an extensive dashboard with all of these things available to you guys with respect to concept builder videos, shortcut videos, ebooks, everything, right? So let me show you how the dashboard looks like for all of you guys. Firstly, when you go to revision video lectures, you will have all the subject wise videos available. Okay, so we have verbal, quants, LR, DI and DS. Sub mein LOD1 concept builder has to be done for sure. To maximize the scores, you also do LOD 2 level questions. Okay, quants exhaustively pura ka pura module wise, the same module wise format which you're going to attend your live lectures. You have your video lessons available, 22 topic videos to master arithmetic. Simple, straightforward, and you're sorted for life. Okay, I would say 22 plus 23 to make your arithmetic strongest, because percentages and all of them is a part of our VPAR module at CAT King. 15 दिन में इसको kill कर लो. ठीक है. After you're done with LOD1, you guys will do Arun Sharma LOD1, LOD2 and then shortcut videos for difficult questions. उसके बाद में time है तो हम LOD3 भी करेंगे. ठीक है. Only if time permits. Alright. Similarly, we go to logical reasoning. यहाँ पे आपके सब type के questions हैं. Your arithmetic reasoning, input output, puzzles, critical reasoning, the entire verbal reasoning section, all of these things which come in, you know, course of action, assumptions, arguments, what is implicit assumption, सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे cover up हो जाएंगी in all of this. Then you go to your verbal section. यहाँ पे भी concept builders में all the types of questions are being done, right from grammar to reading comprehension, para formation, all of them, vocabulary and all of these things to finish it up. ठीक है? This is not enough. Every live lecture which you will attend, you will get recorded webinars of that as well. In fact, all the classes which have been done already as well, you will get recordings of those as well on your dashboard. So you do not have to worry in case you want to see what was taught in the previous NMAT Saturday sessions as well. You can do that. All right. With this, you get access to the NMAT 2021 section, which is 15 full-length mocks, a combination of adaptive and non-adaptive, which I always say non-adaptive is the true judgment or the true evaluator for our preparation. We have sectional mocks as well, 30 sectionals mocks. You finish giving at least 15 to 20 sectionals and 10 NMAT full mocks. Nobody can stop you from having a strong and a calm mind on your actual NMAT day. All right. Then you have these 99 lessons, which are your NMAT official guide, explained all of you guys to understand all the different types of questions which are actually coming in there. Plus, we have these shortcut videos. You have 19 of these. We have a couple of more coming in for your quants and DIDS shortcuts. Trust me, all the students who have been studying with us for the past 2 months have loved these 19 videos to increase their scores and the shortcuts. So make sure you guys don't skip this out for sure. All right. Along with these all videos and mock tests, very essential for us is our ebooks. So you have the Cat King Bible level of difficulty 1 and level of difficulty 2 new section, which should be done, and the NMAT Maximizer books. यार ये 95 टॉपिक्स जो दिख रहे हैं ना आपको, इसमें सारे के सारे कवर हो रहे हैं. Analytical puzzles, linear arrangement, circular arrangement, scheduling, caselets, odd one out, blood relations, series, syllogisms, ranking test, direction sense, all of them, anything and everything which you can expect, input output, fact, inference, judgment, जो topics आ सकते हैं हमें exam में, ebooks are there. And the best part is in all of these Cat King Bible LOD 1 books, you will have theory, plus you will have sample or solved questions, and you will have your practice questions also. So if I quickly walk you guys through it, here is an understanding of how to use the book. Okay, पढ़ लो अच्छे से, उसके बाद में आप आपके solved examples कर लो, फिर practice questions कर लो, और सब practice question के solutions भी available हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सिर्फ questions दिए गए हैं, ठीक है? तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें are available for you to make sure you guys are studying, practicing and cracking the NMAT exam. That is all you need. You do not need anything else. Make sure you are putting yourself under the bus with respect to timelines. Okay, see, everybody says timetable we don't follow, we do not do, and everything. It's a very interesting concept that forget timetable, start making task lists for yourself. Start making a checklist, list down in the morning 10 things, 5 things, whatever works for you based on your time amount of time that you have. 5 things I have to do on a daily basis. Keep ticking mark once you finish all of it. I don't know about you guys, I always did that when I was studying, that you make a list कि I'm going to do 1 2 3 4 5 things. Keep ticking mark once each one is done. You start feeling happy and good. Okay, 3 हो गई 5 में से, 4 हो गए 5 में से 5 हो गए, तो you feel good. हम जब स्कूल में पढ़ते थे तो used to have those index में chapter भी tick mark करते थे, खत्म हो गया तो, right? On the same lines, give yourself everyday task lists. Your motivation will constantly keep on increasing, and that will make it much better for you. After that, start measuring your success, for which you need to start making your mock analysis dashboard, where what we are doing is आपके सारे मॉक्स जैसे हो जाएंगे, आप अपना डेट लिखो, उसके बाद में लिखो कितने क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट हैं, रॉन्ग हैं, अनअटेम्प्टेड है, क्या एक्यूरेसी थी, what is the score, what is the percentage mark that you are getting in all of them, so that you can understand where do you stand. After you're done making that scores ka analysis, track your accuracy. Your accuracy should constantly be increasing, and track your percentage marks. This also should be constantly increasing. That is what you measure. That is your success metric. Final score doesn't matter. Accuracy and percentage marks, that is what matters. क्योंकि अगर आपकी accuracy ठुक गई तो score तो कम हो ही जाएगा, right? उसके बाद में मॉक खत्म होने के बाद में एनालिसिस डैशबोर्ड खोलो और उसमें से जाके लिखो विच आर द टॉपिक्स विच आर योर स्ट्रॉन्ग एरियाज, योर वीक एरियाज एंड योर स्ट्रगलिंग कि ये तो पढ़ा ही नहीं है यार, ये तो आता ही नहीं है। टॉपिक वाइज लिखो, पूरे सिलेबस का लिखते जाओ, वीक मीडियम स्ट्रॉन्ग, वीक मीडियम स्ट्रॉन्ग। उसके बाद हम चुप करके सबसे पहले सारे वीक टॉपिक्स को वापस से पढ़ेंगे, सारी वीडियोस देखेंगे दोबारा से, फिर एक सेक्शनल टेस्ट देंगे ताकि वीक वाले एटलीस्ट मीडियम हो जाए, फिर मीडियम वालों को हमें स्ट्रॉन्ग करना है, ठीक है। सो सेट योर सेल्फ टारगेट्स, set your own benchmark, and measure your own success compared to yourself. Stop comparing yourself to the world. Let your best friend get a 240 score or a 250 score in a mock and you get a 190 score. It is immaterial because at the end of the day, it's all about your performance on the actual day. All right. So I hope all of you guys, this video was helpful for you guys to understand where, how, and what to do to make sure you guys are studying and doing well. For all of the people who have joined XYZ coaching already, you're done with your concepts, life is sorted, या सारे फंडे क्लियर हैं लाइफ के, तो मॉक टेस्ट देना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. All the 15 mock tests, if you take the NMAT mock series, you will get the complete NMAT 2021 section which I showed you guys, which means you guys will be having access to your not just the mock tests but mock tests, full length ones, sectional ones, the official guide recorded videos, the shortcut videos, the NMAT maximizer ebooks, basically the books which are made specially for NMAT based on the NMAT official guide, all of these. तो ये करते जाना, ये आपको मिल जाएगा इन द मॉक सीरीज ऑल्सो. और उसके बाद अपना आप मॉक एनालिसिस डैशबोर्ड खुद बनाओ, स्कोर्स लेके आओ एंड गेट मी द कॉल. Just get me the call. I'll make sure we'll put our best efforts, or trust me, in our literal terms, we'll work our ass off to make sure you convert that call. I have 430 plus students who converted all NMIMS campuses last year. Not kidding. You guys can go and check all the stories, Insta stories, and everything where the students have been doing well. And I feel so happy and proud. The ones who are studying inside NMIMS Mumbai have been killing it with the placements, competitions, campus ambassadors, and they are still in touch, and I can help them even in their summer placements, what to do, how to crack, how to approach case studies, and all of these things. So we'll make sure we are there with you, not just till getting to NMIMS, but till you get out of NMIMS, because once you're a part of the Cat King family, it's family at the end of it for life. All right, so let's get set go, make NMIMS dream come true, and let's crack the exams. Bye bye, take care.